The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the company's most daring design to date, defies all expectations on the legendary Formula One racetracks as well as on the open road. This mobile masterpiece is more than just an RV. It is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering dedication to style and performance. The exterior is a sculpted marvel of aerodynamic design, with aggressive lines, clean carbon fiber panels, and the iconic Prancing Horse logo. The hybrid V8 engine that powers this mobile home's incredible design has an incredible 900-plus horsepower and can reach previously unimaginable speeds for a vehicle of its size. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome's perfect fusion of engineering, speed, and elegance will redefine luxury travel. As soon as you enter the cockpit, you're not in an RV, you're in a Ferrari. The clever ergonomic design of the dashboard gives the driver complete control. In front of a racing-feel steering wheel composed of premium leather and carbon fiber is a massive, curved digital display. This screen displays the recognizable Ferrari interface in addition to all of the essential driving information, including as speed, G-force, and real-time engine performance indications. There aren't many buttons on the controls itself. Most of them are controlled by the central entertainment system. A luxurious and high-tech driver-focused environment is created by the hand-stitched leather covering the whole dashboard, which also has carbon fiber and polished metal accents. The primary living room, which has been remodeled for optimal comfort, nonetheless has the Ferrari DNA. Private airplane cabins served as the inspiration for the interior's open concept, flowing design. It is a sanctuary of luxury, with every surface meticulously crafted from the finest Italian materials. The walls are adorned with subtle carbon fiber details and rich, velvety leather, while the flooring is a smooth, polished composite. The inventive setup has a living room that doubles as an eating space, complete with comfortable chairs and a fold-out table. Smart home automation and voice-activated devices allow you to control your home's lights, entertainment, and temperature with a single command. The master bedroom is a secluded haven that is designed to deliver the kind of sleep you would anticipate in a five-star hotel. It features a full-size bed with lovely covers and a great orthopedic mattress. Panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the outside world and promote a feeling of greater connection with nature, even in the middle of luxury. The room features a smart TV on the wall and a state-of-the-art sound system. Built-in storage cabinets and drawers are subtly integrated into the design to provide ample space for personal belongings without overpowering the simple, minimalist aesthetic. You might be able to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere by just altering the lighting. The onboard restroom is a peaceful sanctuary. It has a huge walk-in shower with a rain-style showerhead, tasteful glass doors, and a simple, uncomplicated design. A modern chrome faucet is installed in a single marble basin that serves as the sink. All of the fixtures are well made, and the toilet features a contemporary low-flush design. The walls are made of polished tile and strong composites, and the floor is non-slip. The entire space is designed to be extremely functional while maintaining the ambience of a private, high-end spa, the perfect combination of style and functionality. The kitchen's efficiency is clear. Despite its small size, this delicious workstation has numerous features. It includes an energy-efficient refrigerator freezer that is surprisingly spacious, a microwave oven, a built-in induction burner, and a fashionable workstation. The basic cabinet's push-to-open operation keeps the outside tidy and clutter-free. A sleek marble sink with a retractable faucet adds a sophisticated touch. Since this kitchen is designed to create culinary marvels while traveling rather than just serving daily meals, gourmet dining is accessible wherever you go.